Hello everyone, section off the top of the hair and then divide it into two portions, braid both the portions. Make two more braids on the side, join it all together. Section off the top of the hair, add a bow with a ribbon to it. Using the ribbons as sections, make two braids out of it. Braid the bottom and roll it up. Tie the ribbon around this. Comb the hair into place and then take a section off the top. Add a rubber band to it. Add another section right underneath it. Roll the hair in on itself. Do this for both of the sections. Tighten it using your hands. Add multiple rubber bands to one of them and then tie a ponytail. Divide the hair into 5 portions. Section out the central portion into many and then add multiple rubber bands on either side. Section out the front of the hair, add a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Add a decorative ribbon. Using the ribbon as a section, begin to braid the hair. Tie a ponytail with it once you are done. Section out the front of the hair, tie a braid out of it. Make another section at the back and another one. Join it all together in a ponytail. Take a small section off the top of the scalp, add some thread through it. Using the thread as one of the sections, make a braid in the hair. Add another thread through it and then begin to braid the section right underneath it. Take a middle portion and then tie a rubber band to it. Make a ponytail out of it. As for the sides, begin to French braid the sides. Include more and more sections as you progress. Join it to the bottom, roll it up. Make a bun out of the top as such. Fasten the loose ends. Take a small section from the front, add multiple rubber bands. Do the same at the back. Tie a ponytail. Take a section off the front and then divide it into 3 portions and begin to braid the hair. Join it in a braid at the bottom. Add multiple rubber bands. Tie a ponytail on one of the sides of the hair. Pull the hair upwards in on itself. This is what it should look like. Make a braid. Make 2 sections at the top and braid both of them. Braid the bottom as well, add multiple rubber bands. Take a section off the top of the scalp and then tie a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself about 3 to 4 times. Add multiple rubber bands on the side and tie a ponytail at the bottom. Section off the top of the hair and then braid it. Take a small portion of the hair from either side, join it together at the back, braid the bottom of the hair. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band, roll it in on itself. Take another section right underneath it, do the same. Make a braid at the bottom. Take a section off the front and then clip up the back. Make multiple sections in the front out of the first section you created. Thank you for watching.